Hey, once again, welcome back, Supreme Team. How you doing? This is yours truly, Miltonsupreme. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to wrap your hands. What I do is I go to my guy Joe at Pro Boxing Supplies, and I get myself a 180-inch hand wrap, and this is how we do it. First, I turn it inside out, so I can have the part that supposed to goes over your thumb the way they used to do it, but I'm doing it differently. What I do is I make myself a cushion to protect my knuckles, and this is how I do it. I go around 5 times. Leave your fingers wide open when you wrap your hands so you will not cut off your blood circulation. Sometimes people make it too tight. So now, what I do right now is this is my cushion. So I'm making my cushion to protect my knuckles. So I take my cushion, I squeeze it between my thumb to hold it so I can pull this tight and come across, and then I'm gonna lock it in like this. So now that's my cushion. Now what I do is I make an X to hold it in place. Here's my X, and I come back across the top. Now I'm gonna start going in between my fingers. So I go back around, come around my thumb, and start to lock that one down. I go around, come back up again, go through the middle fingers, I lock this one down. Then I go back across. Again, back to my X. Remember, X marks the spot. Now, I come in between the last finger. Now I lock everything down. I tighten it up, hold it in place. So now you got that to hold us in place. Now I'm missing one last thing, my thumb. So you go around your thumb, protect that thumb, protect everything. Now, I go back around my wrist and I lock the whole thing down. So now, I come here, I use this piece to make sure it's by my wrist so I can protect it. And here we go, boom. Then I put this here so I can have lock protection on my wrist also. So now I got my knuckles with my cushion, I got my wrist lock, my thumb. Now, it's almost like a professional hand wrap as I come turning back on the inside, and then I push this up to give myself a little grip. Push that down to give myself a little more, and there we go. So now you got yourself one professional hand wrap. Bada bing, bada boom. Yours truly, Miltonsupreme, giving you a lesson on how to wrap your hands. Yo, 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 what's up? This is yours truly, Miltonsupreme. My new YouTube channel, I'm coming at you live in living color. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. This is my new channel. Don't forget, punch that subscribe button, hit the like, do whatever you like. I'll be back with more stuff. It's gonna be crazy. It might be something interesting. It might be a lot of boxing. So don't forget, hit the button, watch. I'll be back at you.